Hi guys, so today I'll be showing you how I get my nails done in literally less than 5 minutes using these press-on nails. I'd started doing the others before thinking of doing this video, but I have 3 fingers left, so we'll just work with those. I'm just fanning it a little, just so it dries faster. Well, there it is. The left hand is done. Now it's time to finish the right hand. And I like these press-on nails. They're convenient because I only wear nails on special occasions or when I'm going out. So I love my mid-range, guys. Whoops, where do you think you're going? Yeah, I love them because they give my nails that extra pizzazz that I think they need after they're done. So I always find at least 10 to put on all fingers. And I resize them accordingly if it doesn't fit on the one that I initially wanted them on.
Everybody told me you could be whatever you wanna be. So I told myself I'ma be a singer, I'ma play on the keys. I can do whatever I want if I just believe, yeah. But then over the years, everybody's telling me to find a career, and I'll be rolling my eyes, thinking I'll be alright with my guitar by my side. But now it's like 55 quid for my phone bill and a tenner for my bus pass too. I wish I could go back and tell myself that life is gonna hit you hard. They say money won't buy you happiness, but being broke really ain't a good time. So all I want is just to get paid. And no, I ain't ashamed of trying to make a wage. No, money, 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 money makes the world go round. I need money, 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 money. Money got me feeling down. They said go and chase your dreams, but never told me that I have to wake up. I gotta pay to breathe. Why are we romanticizing, working 9 to 5 and stifling our dreams? They tell me think about the future, yeah. But what if
well, there you have it. My 5 minutes nails.